gotten for you all originally one of these indoor-outdoor things, but it was smaller. And then I found out where to get the bigger ones. I got one for Richie, and then I went back and got another one. I decided, well, I'd give the small one to Daryl and Andy. And so then I decided to get them a ham. I got a ham at Frable's. And then I gave Clark and Anita the iced tea maker.
Michael, oh man,
and she said when I told her that I got one for Daryl, she was thinking, boy, I'd like to have one of those. So I gave it to him. I said, well, I figured Andy would take it back to the store. And it only cost $15, but anyway, so she washed it up last night and she fixed iced tea in it then. I said, well, good to find out that. Huh?
What is
She's
it?
taking pictures.
Nope, it's not. I'm not taking pictures. I'm taking video.
Oh. Well, same difference. Same difference. You get your picture shot there regardless.